Project management is more than just tasks and timelines. It's about leading with clarity, focus, and resilience. At the heart of this is self-management, a cornerstone for project success and personal growth. As project managers, we set the tone for our teams. When we manage ourselves well, we create a ripple effect. This empowers our teams to thrive. Self-management is about taking ownership. It's about understanding our strengths and weaknesses. With this awareness, we can navigate challenges with more grace and effectiveness. This journey isn't about perfection, it's about progress, self-compassion, and continuous learning. Let's explore 4 key self-management skills that are essential for project managers: time management, goal setting, emotional intelligence, and stress management. By mastering these skills, you can unlock your full potential as a leader and guide your projects to success. Remember, self-management is an investment. It's an investment in yourself, your team, and the success of your projects. Time is a finite resource, yet it's the one thing we all wish we had more of. As project managers, we're constantly juggling multiple tasks, deadlines, and stakeholders. Effective time management is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Prioritization is key. Start each day by identifying your most important tasks. These are the tasks that have the biggest impact on your project's success. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. Multitasking might seem like a productivity booster, but it often leads to decreased focus and errors. Instead, practice single tasking. Give your full attention to one task at a time. You'll be surprised at how much more you accomplish when you're fully present. Remember, effective time management is a skill that takes practice. It's about making conscious choices about how you spend your time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Imagine setting sail without a destination in mind. You might drift aimlessly, never reaching your full potential. Goal setting is like charting a course for your project, providing direction and a clear path to success. SMART goals are essential for project management. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When you set SMART goals, you create clear objectives that are aligned with your overall project vision. Start by defining the why behind your project. What are you trying to achieve? Once you have a clear understanding of your project's purpose, you can start setting goals that support that vision. Involve your team in the goal-setting process. Collaboration fosters ownership and buy-in. Remember, goals are not set in stone. They can be adjusted and refined along the way. Regularly review your goals, celebrate your achievements, and make adjustments as needed. The power of emotional intelligence, or leading with heart and mind. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It's a critical skill for project managers, who often work in fast-paced, high-pressure environments. Self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. Take the time to understand your own emotions and how they impact your behavior. Pay attention to your triggers and learn healthy coping mechanisms. Empathy is another key component of emotional intelligence. Put yourself in the shoes of your team members, stakeholders, and clients. Seek to understand their perspectives and build strong, trusting relationships. Remember, emotional intelligence is not about suppressing your emotions. It's about being aware of them, managing them effectively, and using them to build stronger relationships and achieve better outcomes. Navigating stress. Staying calm amidst the storm. Stress is an inevitable part of life, especially in the world of project management. Deadlines loom, unexpected challenges arise, and the pressure can feel intense. However, it's how we manage stress that makes all the difference. Recognize your stress triggers. What are the things that tend to push your buttons? Once you're aware of your triggers, you can start to develop strategies for coping with them in a healthy way. Take breaks throughout the day to clear your head. Step away from your desk, go for a walk, or simply close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Even short breaks can make a big difference in your stress levels. Remember, you don't have to navigate stress alone. Lean on your support system, whether it's your family, friends, colleagues, or a therapist. Talking about your stress can help you gain perspective and find healthy ways to cope. Embrace the journey self-management for continuous growth. Self-management is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's about continuously striving to improve, learn from our mistakes, and grow as leaders. Embrace the process, be kind to yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Make self-management a non-negotiable part of your routine. Schedule time for it, just like you would any other important meeting or task. The more you prioritize self-management, the more natural it will become. Reflect on your experiences, both successes and failures. What worked well? What could you have done differently? Learning from your experiences is essential for growth. Remember, self-management is a gift you give yourself and your team. By investing in your own growth, you empower yourself to lead with clarity, purpose, and resilience. Embrace the journey and watch as you unlock your full potential as a project manager and a leader.